Hi, good morning. Hello, Rasta from, where do you from, please? I forgot, sorry. Hello, Rasta. How are you? Thank you for coming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You make me happy, guys. You make me happy. You make me happy. You make me happy, guys. Thank you so much, guys. The like. Chuto Sharma from Indian. Hi to Indian. Thank you so much for watching my live. I'm from London. I'm good, and you? Oh, hi to London. How's London now? The weather is good there? Cold or what? Good morning, Shukla. I'm good. Charlie, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much. Charlie, don't forget to like. Thank you so much. You guys, today the weather here is so hot. Hong Kong weather is hot. But it's lovely weather. Where you go? How are you, Shukla? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you too? Sharma, where do you go? London is getting cold. Oh, wow. Nice weather. Oh, here, maybe next month. Who guys who's drinking okra with cucumber? Who drink? I show you this, guys. Look. Hi, Tika. Hello, how are you been? I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Blessed Sunday to you. Okra and cucumber. How the texture? Look at the texture, guys. See? Looks slimy. See? This is so yummy. So yummy. So perfect. I put to the fridge and make it cold and very cold and good to the hot weather. Look, it's perfect for the hot weather. Sticky. Hi guys, don't forget to like, please, and subscribe. Thank you so much. How are you, Tikal? How's the wife? Wife, is she's good? Regards me, please. This is so perfect.